How to share Google Sheet with others. Want to work together smoothly without email attachment or versions of mismatch? Sharing a Google Sheet lets your team collab in real time from anywhere in the world. So, how you can do is by go to the sheet you want to share, or from the outside only you can do it. Simply tap on three dot icon. There you can see tap share and manage access. Simply tap on share. Here you can see add people or groups. Simply add their email and give them a position like editor, commenter, viewers. What do you want them to be? Then simply tap on send. Like this, they'll automatically be added to your Google Sheet and it was already shared to them.